Hello dear students, myself Baki Billabria once again to take a new class on tag question. Last week I took a class on tag question and I discussed about 7 or 8 rules. Today I will discuss about the rest of the rules of tag questions. So this is the extended class or extra class on tag question. Dear students, please keep watching and listen to me carefully. Today I will start the rule from everything, nothing, and something. Everything, nothing, and something will take the pronoun it, and except these three words, there are so many indefinite pronouns like everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, none. All this will take pronoun they. Everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, and also none. And also none will take pronoun they. This is noticeable that everything, nothing, something will take it, and everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, none will take they. Everybody wants to be happy. In the normal time, everybody is singular and it will take extra s with the verb. So everybody wants is valid. But in a tag question, we have to take pronoun they for everybody. So we cannot take auxiliary verb doesn't. Here the auxiliary verb should be doesn't, but we are taking the pronoun they. So we have to change it into don't to conform with the pronoun. We have to take don't they. Though everybody is singular, we have to take they and we have to take don't. Here, everyone was present. The tag will be weren't they. To conform with the pronoun they, we have to take weren't, not wasn't. Is the point clear? But the subject is everything. Everything is okay. Then isn't it? Isn't it? Because everything will take singular pronoun it. But everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no, none, all will take the pronoun they. Nobody believes a lie. Nobody believes a lie. Here, pronoun will be they. And believes, do they. Why? Here not is absent? Because in nobody there is an indication of no. So the answer will be do they. Nobody believes a lie, do they. Next, some, many, all. Each, plus, us. Then it will take pronoun we, plus you. It will take pronoun you. Them, they. For example, many of us were present. Weren't we? Here, many of is followed by us. Many of us were present. Weren't we? If the object of this preposition was you, then weren't you? And if the pronoun would them, many of them were present, then the pronoun would be they. I know you understand this rule, and we will now pass through the another rule. If the subject is it or there and on, it, there and on, then the pronoun would be it. Pronoun would be it, there, on. It took 5 minutes to reach school. It took, didn't, because took is V2, so we have to take didn't. Our subject is it. These it and there are called introductory it, introductory there. Introductory it, introductory there. সূচনাকারী it, সূচনাকারী there. এগুলো বাক্য শুরু হয়, কিন্তু মূলত সাবজেক্ট এগুলো না। এই কথাটা উজ্জ্ব থাকে। It took 5 minutes to reach school. যদি আমি আক্ষরিক অনুবাদ করি, literally if I translate it, then the sentence, the meaning would be, এটা নিল 5 মিনিট সময় স্কুলে পৌঁছাতে। মানে 5 মিনিট সময় নিল এটা স্কুলে পৌঁছাতে। But if we translate it in the real meaning, অর্থাৎ ভাবানুবাদ না করি আমরা, অর্থাৎ যেভাবে অনুবাদ করা উচিত, তাহলে অর্থ হবে স্কুলে পৌঁছাতে 5 মিনিট সময় লাগলো। ইটের অর্থ হবে না। কিন্তু ইট যদি বাক্য শুরু হয়, সেটাকে ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি ইট বলা হয়। আর ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি ইট বলার যে শুরুর কারণে ওটার প্রোনাউনও ইট হবে। The took will take didn't and it will be same. There are 5 men in the room. Aren't there? Tag will be aren't there. And one should love one's country. The tag will be shouldn't on. Shouldn't or nothing else. Is the one clear? I think you better understand the rule. Now we will go to the another rule. We all know that sentence is of three kinds according to structures. According to structure, the sentence is of three kinds: simple, complex, and compound. Simple sentence consists of one clause, and complex sentence consists of a principal clause and one or more subordinate clauses. So, in the complex sentence, it happens that if it rains, I shall get wet. To make tag question, we have to take principal clause, not subordinate clause. In a complex sentence, the tag will be of principal clause, not of subordinate clause. I shall get it. Shan't I? And if the sentence is in this type, I went there, though I was in. Here, subordinate clause is set up the second portion, and principal clause is at the first portion of the sequence of clauses. Here, principal clause is I went there. আমি সেখানে গেলাম, though I was in, যদি আমি অনুপস্থিত ছিলাম. This is subordinate clause. Subordinate clause, and this is principal clause. Here, this is principal clause, and that one is subordinate clause. So we have to tag this clause. I went there, though I was in. I went there, didn't I? Didn't I? Not wasn't I. So in a complex sentence, we have to make the tag question of principal clause. In a compound sentence, we know that there are two or more principal clauses. My friend invited me and I went to meet him. Here, there are two principal clauses. My friend invited me. First one is the principal clause. I went to meet him. Second one is also principal clause. In a complex compound sentence, two or more principal clauses are joined together with coordinating conjunction for and nor but or yet so. Here is a conjunction and there are two principal clauses. In this case, we have to take the last clause. That's mean the clause which is concerned with which is adjacent with the dash or tag section. We have to take the tag of principal clause, not of this clause, only of this clause. I went to meet him. Didn't I? Sometimes we face a problem that in a complex sentence that may not be said, like he hopes that I shall go. He hopes I shall go. The answer of these two tag questions will be different. He hopes that I shall go. Here principal clause is he hops. So the answer will be doesn't he. And here that is omitted. Here that is omitted. And both have been principal clauses. He hops is a principal clause. I shall go is also principal clause. So I will take shan't I, like this role, that is omitted. So here there are two principal clauses and I will take the second principal clauses or the clause which is adjacent to the tag question section or dash section. Is the point clear? Now, where is my duster? If there is an indication like who cares, who saves, who cares, who saves, who cares or who saves, then the tag will be do they. You should memorize the rule that who cares, who saves will take do they. Whether in this sentence not or no is indicated or not. In prior time or past times, the pronoun of earth, moon, sheep would she, but now in a modern grammar, the pronoun of earth, moon, and sheep will be it. But if anyone use she, then it is also correct. Moon shines at night. The answer is doesn't she and doesn't it. Both are correct. If anyone use she, then the answer would be correct, and if anyone use it, the pronoun of moon, then the answer is also correct. In exclamatory sentence, how beautiful the bird is. How beautiful the bird is. Here we know that in exclamatory sentence subject is placed at the end of the sentence, and auxiliary verb or main verb also. So in an assertive sentence, the position of part of speech is first is placed subject then verb. But in exclamatory sentence, subject and main verb is placed at the end of the sentence, and the tag question will be as like as assertive sentence. Isn't it? Isn't it? Nothing else. But sometimes there is no indication of subject and main verb. How beautiful. Or what a beauty. What a how beautiful. What a beauty. How beautiful. What a beauty. Then we have to imagine that how beautiful it is, or what a beauty it is. We have to extend this exclamatory sentence in our mind, and then we have to make the tag. How beautiful it is. Isn't it? Here, how beautiful it is not clear or is not mentioned, but you have to imagine that there is an indication of it is. How beautiful it is. What a beauty it is. Then the tag question will be it Isn't it? Isn't it? I know you all students are enjoying my class and better understand the rule. If I, you, the pronoun like I and you, they are used as pronoun, proper noun. I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. Here, I is not I like the sense of I am a student. I am a student. Here, aren't I? But here, I is. This is interpreted by that I একটি pronoun and I শব্দটা একটি pronoun. This type of punctuation mark is not mandatory. Here I, simply I, and I is a pronoun. Isn't it? এখানে বোঝানো হচ্ছে যে I শব্দটি একটি pronoun. তাহলে isn't it? যদি বলা হয় they is a pronoun. Isn't it? I is a pronoun. Isn't it? He is a pronoun. Isn't it? All the answers would be isn't it, like he একটি pronoun, I একটি pronoun, they একটি pronoun. এখানে এইভাবে বোঝানো হচ্ছে, অর্থাৎ he is I, এখানে we have come at the last position of tag question. There are some phrases like as well as, with, along with, together with, in addition to, এই ফ্রেজগুলো দ্বারা যদি দুইটা সাবজেক্ট যুক্ত হয় সবসময় আগের সাবজেক্ট অর্থাৎ প্রথম সাবজেক্ট অনুযায়ী ট্যাগ কোশ্চেন করতে হবে। I along with my parents went to Cox's Bazar. I along with my parents went to Cox's Bazar. We will take didn't, and subject would be I. Didn't I? Not my parents, not they. If anyone take then the answer will be incorrect. As well as, with, along with, together with, in addition to দ্বারা যুক্ত দুইটা সাবজেক্ট ট্যাগ করতে গেলে, দুইটা সাবজেক্ট ট্যাগ যুক্ত সেন্টেন্সে ট্যাগ করতে গেলে প্রথম সাবজেক্ট অনুযায়ী আমাদের প্রোনাউন দিতে হবে। কামাল along with his parents went to Cox's Bazar. Didn't he? কিন্তু যদি এমন আসে neither nor either or not only but also, এই জাতীয় কোরেলেটিভ কনজাংশন যদি থাকে তাহলে পরের সাবজেক্টটা অনুযায়ী ট্যাগ করতে হবে। উই হ্যাভ টু টেক দ্য সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্ট আফটার নট, আফটার অর, আফটার বাট অলসো। Either he or his parents will admit the guilt হয় সে অথবা তার বাবা মা তাদের অপরাধটা স্বীকার করবে। Either he or his parents. We will take his parents. His parents. Then either he or his parents will. Won't they? Won't they? Here either and or together with a correlative conjunction, and we will take the second subject to tag this sentence. Either he or his parents will admit the guilt. Here we will take his parents. So we have taken won't they. This is all for today. Dear students, if any question arises in your mind, then knock me in Messenger or WhatsApp, or you all know my phone number, cell phone number. So please, dear students, if anyone face any difficulty to understand the rules that I have been going through, if you are liberal, you are free to ask me any type of question on a question. Next day or next week, I will come before you with a new class. সেই পর্যন্ত তোমরা ভালো থাকো। Goodbye. Keep well.